call me Dub, A-double-R-E. N be the N, last letter be the G. G be for Griffin, Smithin', like Wesson. Niggas that be festin', I'm crushing your whole chest. In combat, if they fat, I'll skinny them 6 times the terror past the era to millennium. G-Funk, bumpin' in your trunk, call me bougie, nigga. LBC me, nigga. What?
Straight from Long Beach, where we get more naughtier than comedy. Can you stay round off handspring? Do your triple somersault? Fools will be flipped on short. Long Beach, right by the water. Respect is due when you walk through the borderline. If you don't, you might find your face in a gutter. Long Beach to get you wet.
The homie just whistled, gave us the signal. To act the fool with the pistols, pierce the gristle. Warm, where you at, homie? In the cut, he cock, beat for weeks, heat for blocks. Techniques to rock for blocks. Unorthodox, cannon cock and bandit, nigga. I deli rock the planet, nigga. Scope out the vicinity, start separating. Those that's cool and those hating. Every nigga in between. Got 5 seconds to evacuate the scene. Yeah, hit the stash. Nigga, what the fuck you wanna do? Talk or blast. Nigga, think fast. Fast,
nigga
fast.
with a little gangsta love. Gangsta love. Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love. Gangsta love. Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love. Gangsta love. Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love.
Let's go to war. No, not with guns. Blast you with heat. Original beats, they run fast and faster. Master like P, or you could just say Master Warren G. I'm bout it, highly touted, and I doubt it. If I let another nigga take my tracks and reroute it, I truck more style. Like my Yukon, I puke on the rest of these niggas trying to contest.
Hold up, speaking of contest, Dino, none of that. We get gas, speech technique, rat-a-tat-tat. Splat, naked flat, pure, satisfact. X marks the spot of the brutal vernacular. You drink stout like Dracula. Listen here, buddy, you'll be found left bloody. It's the beach nigga straight up. Before you hate up, get your weight up, won't get wet up.
Yeah,
now what up?
Yeah, OG. My nigga Warren G. That's my OG. G. My nigga Nate Dogg. My nigga Snoopy. My nigga RBX. They're my OGs. My real OGs. You up against the aces, nigga. It all takes place in many places, nigga. Several different faces, nigga. The streets can watch me, nigga. But the streets is up against corrupt Muammar Gaddafi, nigga. OG, Juggernaut, jagged edge, homie, 2 to the head as the sprinkle spread. Defecation, yeah. Fuck around with the militia, stalking to the big homie Nate walked in.
Same old niggas in the same old place. Long Beach City is where I was raised. I keep my heater right by my side. Won't stop mashing till I get my prize. Even if you're blind, we can make you see the perfect combination, Nate and Warren G. When we bust, we hit them every time. Ain't no secret, it's about that time to